In this guide, I'll show you how to fix it when you're not receiving game invites on PS5. So the first thing you want to do is go to settings in the top right corner, and you want to ensure that your network internet connection is working. Now we're going to go back and we're going to go to users and accounts, and you want to scroll down to privacy, and we're going to go to view and customize your privacy settings. Now you want to scroll all the way down to the bottom, and under communication and multiplayer is where all the important settings are. So you want to ensure who can interact with through your party, game, and messages. You want to ensure that this is on friends only or anyone. Just going to leave it on anyone. And for get crossplay game invitations, you want to ensure this is turned on, especially if you're in parties because people could be on different consoles. So now we're going to go back. And once you're back to settings, the next thing we're going to do is scroll down, and we're going to go to save data and game/app settings. Now from here, you want to scroll down, and once you're at game presets, scroll over, and we're going to go to online multiplayer sessions. So this will likely be good if they're both on game default. However, if you want to ensure it works all the time for who can join, simply go to anyone, and for who can invite, you want to ensure that it's on for all members. You can also customize it as well if you don't want it that open for your multiplayer sessions. So now we're going to go back, and once you're in settings again, we're going to go down to notifications, and you want to ensure that you can see the notifications. So I recommend you turn on allow pop-up notifications. And if you scroll down, you also want to ensure that game invitations are on always show during games. So some other things you could try would include closing out the game where you're not getting the invites and booting it back up again. And you could also press the PlayStation button on your controller and restart your console to see if it fixes your issue. If this video was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.